Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by placing a simple horizontal guideline and marking the pupil center. This gives you proportion immediately. Draw an almond-shaped contour around that center because the shape drives expression. Once done, block 3 value zones, sclere, iris, pupil, to plan contrast. Add a subtle eyelid crease and a tiny tear duct landmark to anchor the inner corner. Make sure to keep the overall angle consistent between both eyes so they read as a pair, not two separate shapes. Now you add depth. Render the iris with soft radial strokes outward from the pupil, leaving a 10–20% area for a catchlight. This creates realism. Next, refine the eyelids by darkening the upper lash line and indicating lashes with short, tapered strokes. You want directionality, not clumps. Once done, put a soft shadow under the upper lid to suggest volume and a faint shadow on the sclere near the inner corner for form. Make sure to check values often and adjust contrast for clear read. To finish, blend values smoothly across the iris and sclere using 2 to 3 levels of tone so transitions read natural. Then add final accents. Sharpen the pupil edge and enhance a small catchlight. This locks focus. Once done, compare both eyes for spacing and alignment, adjusting outer corners as needed. If something looks flat, either desaturate overly bright highlights or deepen the pupil and upper lid shadow to increase contrast. Make sure to step back and view at normal size before calling it complete.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.